Hi guys, Alan here from Base Camp Brooklyn. We are here in Acadia National Park in Maine, and it is gorgeous out here today. It is middle of September, pretty cold, but we are still out here cooking. And today we're going to be cooking chili. Chili is one of my favorite things to make at the campfire because it's gonna get pretty cold tonight, but that chili is gonna keep us nice and warm. So I got a whole bunch of ingredients. I got the fire, really simple ingredients for this chili. I got habanero chili peppers. I got dried chipotle pepper, dried red chili pepper. Got some garlic, got some onions. So we got some various peppers as well. These are some dried ones, but these are some various heats. These are not so spicy, medium spicy, and 10 alarm fire spicy. I got these from Union Square Market in New York City. It's actually the biggest farmers market in New York City, and they're there quite a few times a week. So got them over there, but really you can use any kind of peppers you want depending on how hot you want the chili. I got salt, pepper, got red kidney beans, I got tomato sauce, olive oil, oh, and the whiskey's for me. Oh, and some ground beef. So, pretty simple. Let's go. Got all the ingredients in except the beans and the tomato sauce. So we're just gonna cook the beef until it is pretty much all cooked all the way through. Then we're gonna throw the beans in and the tomato sauce in. Cooking on a cast iron Dutch oven. So it does have a heavy duty lid, and I'm gonna put that on top, put some coals on the top too. So the way a Dutch oven works is it acts like an oven. So we're gonna be able to slow cook it so that the beans and the meat get super, super tender, and it's gonna be yummy. So sun's going down. I imagine by the time this chili is done, it's going to be dark because we do want to let it cook for a little while, an hour or two. The longer you let it simmer and slow cook, the more tender the beans are gonna be. So your call. But either way, it's going to be yummy. All right, you guys, we are going to try this. Bread is nice and toasty. Put that on the bowl, put that on the side. Oh, look at this. Let's go. Look at all that, you guys. Just throw that in the bowl. If you like cheese, you can throw some shredded cheese on top. But we're not gonna do cheese today. All right. It's warm. It's chilly out here. It's a chilly 50 degrees here in Maine. But this chili is gonna keep us nice and warm. Alright, you guys, if you like this content, if you like this recipe, definitely try it. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that bell so that you get notifications on my next videos. And that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you next week. I don't know where I'm going to be. I might still be here in Maine. But we have to head back also to get the trailer ready for our West Coast trip. So depending on how that goes, we'll see. But I don't know where I'll be next week, but we'll see you next week for the next video. Bye guys.